McKesson Corporation is an American company distributing pharmaceuticals at a retail sale level and providing health information technology, medical supplies, and care management tools. The company had sales of $122 billion in 2012. McKesson is based in the United States and distributes healthcare systems, medical supplies and pharmaceutical products. Additionally, McKesson provides extensive network infrastructure for the healthcare industry. Also, it was an early adopter of technologies like barcode scanning for distribution, pharmacy robotics, and RFID tags. It is a Fortune Global 500 company, and the 11th highest revenue-generating company in the United States. History: founded in New York City as Alcott and McKesson by Charles Alcott and John McKesson in 1833, the business began as an importer and wholesaler of botanical drugs. A third partner, Daniel Robbins, joined the enterprise as it grew, and it was renamed McKesson & Robbins following Alcott's death in 1853. The company successfully emerged from one of the most notorious business accounting scandals of the 20th century, the McKesson & Robbins scandal, a watershed event that led to major changes in American auditing standards and securities regulations after being exposed in 1938. In the 1960s, McKesson & Robbins merged with Foremost Dairies of San Francisco to form Foremost McKesson Incorporated. Since the mid-20th century, McKesson has derived an increasing proportion of its income from medical technology, rather than pharmaceuticals. This culminated in its purchase of medical information systems firm HBO and Company in 1999. The combined firm was briefly known as McKesson. Accounting irregularities at HBOC reduced the company's share price by half, and resulted in the dismissal and prosecution of many HBOC executives. The firm's name reverted to McKesson in 2001. McKesson Technology Solutions, as the information technology branch of the company is now known, has continued to increase its market share through acquisitions, notably PSA Technologies, Relay Health, and Practice Partner. In 2010, McKesson acquired leading cancer services company US Oncology, Incorporated for $2.16 billion, which was integrated into the McKesson Specialty Care Solutions business. On June 24, 2013, The Wall Street Journal reported that McKesson chairman and CEO John Hammergren's pension benefits of $159 million had set a record for the largest pension on file for a current executive of a public company, and almost certainly the largest ever in corporate America. A study in 2012 by GMI Ratings, which tracks executive pay, found that 60% of CEOs at S&P 500 companies have pensions, and their value averages $11.5 million. In addition to its offices throughout North America, McKesson also has international offices in Australia, Ireland, France, the Netherlands, and the United Kingdom. Today, McKesson is one of the oldest continually operating businesses in the United States. McKesson Provider Technologies. McKesson Provider Technologies is the retail name for McKesson Technology Solutions, the software development division of McKesson. Their customer base in the United States includes 50% of all health systems, 20% of all physician practices, 25% of home care agencies, and 77% of health systems with more than 200 beds. On June 20, 2005, McKesson Provider Technologies acquired Medcon Limited, an Israeli company which provides web-based cardiac image and information management solutions for heart centers, that includes diagnostic digital image management, archiving, procedure reporting, and workflow management. In October 2013, McKesson agreed to buy a 50% stake in German peer Celesio for $8.3 billion. Health Mart Pharmacy Franchise. Health Mart is a network of over 3,400 independently owned and operated pharmacies. It is a wholly owned subsidiary of McKesson Corporation, which owns the name Health Mart. McKesson acquired Health Mart owner Fox Mayer in 1996. McKesson Canada. In 1991, McKesson Corporation acquired a 100% interest in Medis Health and Pharmaceutical Services from Provigo. In 2002, the McKesson Canada name was adopted. McKesson Canada is a wholly owned subsidiary of McKesson Corporation. It includes various business units: McKesson Pharmaceutical, McKesson Automation, McKesson Specialty, McKesson Health Solutions and McKesson Information Solutions. McKesson in the United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom, McKesson is a provider of information technology services to the healthcare industry. In addition to numerous clinical software systems and finance and procurement services, McKesson also is responsible for developing the electronic staff record system for the National Health Service, which provides an integrated payroll system for NHS's 1.3 million staff, making it the world unregistered trademark's largest single payroll IT system. McKesson Shared Services also provides payroll services for over 20 NHS trusts, paying over 100,000 NHS members. McKesson's United Kingdom base is in Warwick with data centres in Newcastle upon Tyne and Brent Cross and offices in Sheffield, Bangor, Glasgow and Vauxhall, London. Across the United Kingdom, it employs over 500 people. In July 2014, McKesson sold most of their healthcare software business to the private equity firm Symphony Technology Group and indicated also that they would not be rebidding for the electronic staff record contract. This came after the company had posted significant year-on-year losses in revenue after taking over a very successful British operation in 2011. McKesson in Australia and New Zealand. McKesson ANZ is a fully owned subsidiary of McKesson Corporation. McKesson expanded its footprint in Australia and New Zealand by acquiring Amendo in November 2012. McKesson ANZ develops and sells healthcare optimization services and software. The company has traditionally been focused on the public markets in Australia and New Zealand. The majority of the district health boards in NZ use one or more of McKesson unregistered trademark's capacity management solutions. Christchurch, New Zealand is one of McKesson unregistered trademark's global capacity management R&D centres of excellence. All of McKesson unregistered trademark's R&D for McKesson Capacity Planner is performed in New Zealand. The company employs approximately 40 team members across Australia and New Zealand, including general management, R&D, sales, services and support employees. McKesson Capacity Planner is used in more than 40 hospitals in Australia, New Zealand, Britain, Canada and the US to forecast future patient activity and help health systems to allocate resources efficiently and identify unnecessary costs. Facilities. In addition to its global headquarters in San Francisco, California, McKesson maintains additional facilities around North America. Former divisions. McKesson operated the Mosswood Wine Company from 1978 until 1987, when the division was sold to maintain their focus on pharmaceuticals. The division was founded and run by wine writer Gerald Asher. See also: Top 100 U.S. federal contractors. References: ABCDEF 2013 Form 10-K, McKesson Corporation. United States Securities and Exchange Commission. AB Fortune 500 2013, full list. CNN. Sick in the Head, Why America Won't Get the Healthcare System It Needs, by Luke Mitchell, Harper's, January 16, 2009, History of McKesson Corporation McKesson.com. Retrieved April 20, 2015. Milt Freudenheim. McKesson agrees to pay $960 million in fraud suit. The New York Times. Retrieved March 17, 2008. Mark Maremont. McKesson CEO is due $159 million pension, WSJ. WSJ. Retrieved April 20, 2015. McKesson completes acquisition of Mckesson Limited Business Wire August 15, 2005, Ludwig Berger. McKesson $8.3 billion deal for drugs trader Celesio to create market leader. Reuters. John O. Exmer. McKesson UK put up for sale. OE News. John O. Exmer. Symphony buys McKesson UK Health Ops. OE News. http www.healthinvestor.co.uk show article ASPX ID equals 3366, http, histalk2.com03 McKesson to acquire British software vendor Systems C/AB McKesson NZ aims for growth with plans to add staff and products, Computer World New Zealand. computerworld.co.nz May 23, 2014. Retrieved July 30, 2015. Tamlin Stewart. Pharma giant snaps up Emendo. Stuff.co.nz. Retrieved July 30, 2015. Tamlin Stewart. Fortune 500 firm buys Kiwi tech company. Stuff.co.nz. Retrieved July 30, 2015. 1. External links, official website.